Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel once again. So today I'll be taking you through how I cook my own fried rice using my own method. Let's go there. So today I'll be showing you how I cook my fried rice that doesn't go bad quickly. For my ingredients, I'll be using garlic, ginger, and onions to season my chicken. And here I have chopped onions, have sweet corn, I have garlic, I have spring onions, I have green bell pepper, have liver, have chicken, jumbo chicken, I have thyme, stock cubes, curry, and pepper. Also have peas, fresh peas. I love fresh peas. So if you want to get this same type, you can always get them from the store. And I have some salt. So now I'm going to blend the garlic, ginger, and onions together. I'm adding some water to make it easier for the blender. So I'm going to add the blended mixture into the chicken. To be honest, I've never seen this type of huge chickens. So I'm going to add 3 stock cubes, curry, thyme, salt, I'm adding some water. These chicken portions are so huge, so they will need extra water and extra time to cook thoroughly. At first, when I saw them, they got me so scared. So I'm going to cover and allow to cook for about 20 minutes. So while the chicken is cooking, another pot I'll be adding the rice. I'm using basmati rice. I didn't wash before pre-boiling because the rice is very clean. But you can wash yours if you're not comfortable with the look of the rice. Now the rice is finished pre-boiling and I'm going to wash. So I'm going to wash until the water is very clear. I just love to wash my rice that way to remove as much starch as I can remove. So I'm leaving to drain and I'll concentrate on the chicken. And so my chicken is cooked from the look of it, though they are so huge. All I need to do now is to grill the chicken. So I'm using a baking oven paper. I can't remember what it is called anymore. And I'm going to grill until I get the desired color. I love my chicken a bit golden in color. So while the chicken is grilling, I'm going to be sifting my stock. At the same time, while I'm multitasking, I'm still checking on the chicken because I do not want them to get burnt. And I've added the stock to the pot. It has boiled. Now I'm adding the pre-boiled rice. So I'm going to taste for salt and if I would need to add any extra stock. So I'm adding my added curry, thyme and pepper and some chopped onions. Adding these chopped onions at this point is optional, so you can leave that to the very end when you'll be stir frying. But I love adding onions at this point to the rice just to get that flavor. So I'm going to cover and allow to cook, and then I'm going to check on the chicken. So the rice is ready. So I normally transfer from the pot to another bowl to avoid the rice cooking further because the pot is hot. So when I leave the rice in the pot, sometimes I get the rice too soft. So now I'm going to be stir frying the liver. Now I'm adding the onions. So just want to stir fry the vegetables. So guys, if you've been watching, I've been using just maybe 1 tablespoonful of oil. We have to be mindful of the amount of oil we consume, salt. Let's just be careful. So I'm going to stir fry the vegetables for about 1 minute. So I'm adding all of them. So in here now I have the green pepper, carrots and sweet corn, except for the green peas. I just love adding green peas at the end of the cooking, like when I'm nearly done cooking the rice. That's when I add the peas. So now I'm adding the stock cube, the one that is left, and I'm going to stir and I'll set aside. Stir frying the rice. So I'm adding the liver. Adding the vegetables and I'm giving it a good stir. Guys, this is looking so colorful. My children call it vegetable rice. They love this rice. They love it. So I normally cook it almost every weekend. So now I'm adding the green peas. and I'm going to mix it all together. I just love this color. Now I'm adding the spring onions. And so our food is ready. I will need to taste for salt level. So I don't need to add, everything is perfect. Wow. Just look at that, looking so yummy. So delicious. Wow. Please just try to cook this and let me know in the comment section how you made yours. Thank you very much. We've come to the end of this video. Hope you enjoyed it, and please subscribe if you have not yet done so, and also share with your friends. Bye bye, and see you in my next video. Bye.